Okay, welcome back, folks. Today I'm gonna do a very brief video, which I hope is going to be helpful to your trading. Okay, apologies about the quality, but it is what it is. We're gonna use what we have. I want us to talk about Tom DeMark trend lines. So, what are Tom DeMark trend lines? This basically trend lines which are drawn from the most recent swing high or swing low to the previous higher swing high or a lower swing low. Um, in perspective, or rather, we can see from here this has been the latest swing high, which is the other higher swing on the left of it. Should be this, definitely. However, I'll take this, which is much more clearer. And then with the same effect, I'm gonna take the swing low and put it on this swing low, which is much the most recent one. And then I could even extrapolate it into so now definitely this, we're going to extrapolate this into the future. Okay, just like that. And this, extrapolate this into the future just like that. But you have to be aware that these trend lines, the Tom DeMark trend lines, have emanated from the most recent swings, being this and being this. So this level of resistance or this level of support, we expect this to provide the same into the future. However, the most important aspect and reason as to why we do use Tom DeMark trend lines is to show the short term, or rather the immediate um, momentum, the direction of direction in price. So if we're having, say, a breakdown as is going on right now to the downside, we expect that price could follow through, in the short term. All right. We expect, because like in this instance, we expect a little bit, another leg down, or something to that effect. The same will apply to a break. If price breaks out to the upside, we'd expect price will break out, maybe a retest, and then a follow through. So that is a Tom DeMark trend line. It works the same way in multiple time frames, other different time frames, because price is fractal, so is price. Yeah. So I'm just browsing through different time frames. However, I had initially drawn it on the 1 minute chart, where it becomes much more clearer. If you see on the 5 minute, not to make this chart a little bit dirty, but you see this is the most recent swing low, and then taking it to the lower swing low to the left. All right. Maybe extrapolating that into the future shows we had a breakdown, right? And as I'd explained, to this effect, we expect price to at least move some distance to the downside before maybe now just coming back up. So again, I think I'll just remove the latest one I've drawn, right? So we have a clearer picture of what to expect moving forward. So thank you. That is that. And then we'll look at other concepts moving forward. See you in the next video, and